Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying as always to walk back from China to my home in Germany. Today is November the 22nd, 2023. It's a Wednesday, and the caboose and I are leaving Eisenach, a town in Thüringen at the foot of the Wartburg castle that we wanted to go to in former East Germany. And it's a very beautiful town. It doesn't look at all like this part here. It's kind of in the outskirts. The city center is renovated, has old nice buildings. They're putting up a Christmas market as we speak, and it's all very nice, but Eisenach has a problem, a Nazi problem. I watched some documentaries, read some news. There's apparently actual Nazis in the city government, or in a parliament. I don't know. They're not even AFD, which is bad enough. They're NPD, which is like outright Nazi. I might have been on that train once. Okay, back to the sad topic of Nazis. I talked to some people here and they're like, yeah man, it's fucked up, we don't know what to do. But it's not like you see them on the street all the time, the Nazis. So I figured I might look at graffiti and at stickers, you know? They might put some graffitis or stickers on lampposts or walls. The only thing that I found was typical adolescent, juvenile graffiti, stickers, some skater, punk stuff, a lot of left-wing stuff, a lot of anti-fascist stuff. And now here that we're leaving Eisenach, the first actual Nazi graffito. It says Nazi Kiez, like a Nazi neighborhood, and someone has crossed it out. Well, thinking about it, it might also not be a Nazi graffito. It might be an anti-fascist who suspects the people that live here. Well, I don't know if anybody lives there. I mean, these buildings are abandoned, but maybe behind there or something, or in this general neighborhood, of being Nazis. And so it could be that anti-fascist made this graffito and said, look, there's Nazis here, this is a Nazi hood, Nazi Kiez. Could be that, or it could be Nazis proudly proclaiming that this shitty building with those shitty buildings and that shitty building, all of them abandoned, is a Nazi hood. Man, I don't know. Either way, yeah, I hope they can get their shit together here. It's really bad news. If you look up Eisenach on the internet, you're gonna find documentaries about drug use, about the Wartburg, about the old town, and about Nazis. I like the Wartburg. I like the old town. The drug use is a problem, and Nazis, what the fuck, guys? That doesn't look natural, does it? Especially not with the two holes. And then especially not since here it says AB 1799. 1799. I don't know what it means. Maybe there was a shrine in here, like a picture of a holy person or something. The Virgin Mary. Oh, there's another train. Made the mistake of having a long lunch, which meant a long lunch break, which meant sitting around a lot, which meant getting cold. My fingers are freezing. The only thing that helps, walking. Fast walking, preferably uphill. That's gonna make you warm. It's not even that cold, it's like 0 degrees Celsius. But it feels cold. At least it's not raining. That's awesome. They're waiting for these guys. There is more of them. I was wondering why they were just hanging around here. They were waiting for their dudes. So many dudes. And dudettes. Hey guys, we've been waiting. And there's even more. And more. Wow. Everyone is together. I don't even know if you can see them in the wide angle. I'm sorry if you can't, but you can hear the sound. And I can tell you it's 1,000 birds. There's 2 more swarms coming. Flying in a V formation. And this is the gathering spot apparently. Whoa, they're separating. They're gonna go meet their buddies. Oh man, these guys are late. Your friends are over there. Look at them. Perfect V formation. Little fuckers. It's a wonder. It really is. Don't poop on me! Don't you dare! I see you! Bye guys.